Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. It is a dual motor. I absolutely love the hoods on these. It's a gorgeous metallic blue with the aerodynamic wheels and the panoramic glass roof. Here's the trunk. Actually has additional storage space down here. All right, so let's go ahead and show you the interior. It does have the black vegan Tesla leather interior with the suede on the door panels. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Go ahead and hop in. This is the toggle switches for the infotainment interface. We're going to go ahead and turn this volume down and then turn this fan down so you can hear me better. All right, so here is your navigation. Here's your radio. You do have AM, FM, and XM in this vehicle. To go ahead and see the backup camera, we just throw it into reverse, put it back in park. We don't need to update the software right now. Okay, I'll show you the very most important screen, in my opinion, is the software screen, where you can see that it is the Model 3 dual motor, 22,293 miles on it. It does have enhanced autopilot and standard connectivity. It does have the premium audio system, the full self-driving computer, the HomeLink garage door opener. Here are the quick controls. The lights, locks, display, driving settings, your autopilot settings. They've also put down here your lane departure avoidance and obstacle aware acceleration and such. Navigation, safety and security, service, and of course your software. This is also where you open your glove compartment. Okay, if we come down here a little bit, then we have our phone charging station and our center console. You also have an additional power supply in this center console. And then, of course, the inside of your panoramic glass roof. This vehicle does have a branded title. Had some damage here on the front. It turned out to only be cosmetic. So we were able to get it buttoned up. We passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla resale dealer in the area, so visit us at tjchapmanauto.com for additional inventory.